Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome once again to my lesson. And today I will take you through to the introductory part of how to mod and make yourself an APK Android application. So, with me here is the interface or the web portal where I teach using uh, this site, that is Appinventor.mate.edu/explorer/i2/setup. So very quick, I'm going to introduce you to some of the parts of the interface that is very essential in making up a simple APK application for your Android devices. So as you can see, we have what you need to get is maybe a software or this address. This address here is the lead to the interface. So once you have it, you click on Create App. It will guide you real quick. App development for the Android appliances or devices is really nice. As you can see, this is just an intro. This is what you will always need. Meet Appinventor. Once you type that on your Google search, it will bring you the interface. Then you can click continue. So this is one of the applications that I have. That's what I'm going to show you how to make. So simply you can click here and go to your projects or start a new project, and then the rest of these other parts of the interface I'll take you through on how to work with them. So we're going to click on a new project, and we're going to give this new project a name, Samora bulb. Samora bulb, and then click OK. But you find that the name exists, so we cannot accept that. Maybe bulb up. I see. So our name is accepted. So we're going to create. I'm going to show you how to create your Android app for your mobile phone, for your tablet, that is Android. And well, this is our screen, and this is how your mobile phone will look like. So on this screen, we are going real quick to the layout and set our layout. And the layout, we're going to use a vertical. We have this quite a number of options, but we're going to use vertical arrangement. So we're going to pick that and drag it there. So after that, we're going to use the setup. We're going to make the vertical arrangement full on the screen, so that when you install your app, it does not come as if it was not done professionally. So we're going to set the height to full, alright, and OK. So you will see the height is already full on the left side. So we're going to make it full on the screen. On the width, we're going to set full as well. So there you have it. We have our layout set full. So we're going back to the interface, where we're going to pick the image. It's because we're going to use the images to set the bulb on and off. So we're going to go to the vertical and then align it to the center. So our image has jumped to the center, but we are going to set the size for this particular image so that it looks reasonable when you work with it. So we're going to set 30 for the height. Oh, sorry. There's a mistake I did here. We actually did set up. We want to click on the image is when we set the height to 30. Yes, we set that to 30. We click OK. You can see the height has changed. So we're going to also have the width, maybe 250. Wonderful, wonderful. That's how it's going to look like. The size of the bulb that we're going to use. So we're going to set another one for the off and on options, and we are going to set the width as well, 30. Okay, and sorry, the height is supposed to be 30. Sorry about that. 30, and then width 50. 50. We can do away with that and then accept that. So definitely this is how it's going to look like. So we already set the platform for where we're going to insert both the bulb, that is the on and off bulbs, and then we're going to use the button that we're going to use to set the on and off. So these buttons, you can click there and then come to this side and change this button as on. It's already changed. You click on this one and change from the text side off. Accept. Wonderful. So we want to insert the images. We want to insert the images for the bulb that is on and off. So in this case, the on and off bulb, we are going to use image 1. We're going to use the on bulb. So we're going to click on this particular side where we have the images and accept here, upload from here, then choose a file. It should be an image of a bulb that is on, then you choose an image that has background. So I've done some bulb here, that is the on, the light bulb, then click OK. In a short while it is supposed to appear here in this tab. Once it appears here, there you go. And then we come to image 2 where we are supposed to change the image, upload the file, choose the file from here, and then choose the appropriate file with no background. I believe that is it. So we can choose it, and once it is uploaded, it should be able to appear here. There you go, just in a few seconds, and boom, we have it. So all this is these are the bulbs we're going to use for both on and off bulb. Then we can also set the background. Okay, before we set the background, we can change these buttons as rename here. The second button to be on, then you click OK. And then this button, we rename it here by using off button. So we have it as on and off. So we can change the background to whatever background you want. You can set default or custom. I don't know which one would work much better for us. But as you can see, if you click here, you will find quite a number of colors. Oh, yes, we have quite a number of colors here. So if you choose whichever color you choose, I think will work. I don't know if you choose black, but no. Let's choose green or blue or something. I like green. I can use this. Yes, let's try to use that. Oh no. We can also choose red for, yes, so that is red. And then when we want to choose the default background for the entire screen, we can always go for custom and then see if we can get, I don't know, if you choose black, would that do? Oh, wonderful. So we have when it is on, when it is off, the bulbs, and the background is dark. So that is that. So we're going to go to the blocks and now start writing the chords. And the chords is supposed to be in accordance with what we have in the design. So this is the design, then we have the chords. So if we are writing the codes or the script, we have to click on a particular stuff we are doing the codes for. If it is image 1, you click on image 1, then you go to blocks. That's when you start writing the code. So you come to image 1 and see if we have the codes right here. So there we go. So we say when image 1 is clicked, but actually we are not supposed to start with that. So let's just go back to designer and click on, and then go back to blocks. We want to work with when on is clicked. So when on is clicked, you click on this one. It loads you the codes or the blocks. Just in a minute. Oh, there you go. So when on is clicked, drag it and place it there. And then the next one is we're going to use from our designer, we're going to use which image. We have to know that. So from our designer, the on is supposed to be image 1. So we go back to chords and we go to image 1 and find the chords for the image. So you set image 1 visible. So you drag it and place it there. It will bring you a warning that maybe the code you're using is not properly done. But again, it's supposed to have the control visible. So it's supposed to be either false or true. So let's see if we get that control. Logic. Is it logic? Just a minute. Working online, man. But, oh, true, it's here. So you drag this and place it right here. So that statement is true. You can see we already have it there. So we're going to duplicate this and place it right below here, and then work with image 2 visible and make this false. Okay. So we already have that first code. We're going to use when off is clicked. So we're going to off. When off is clicked, do what? We can duplicate this and place it right here. So when image 1 is clicked, it is false. And then you duplicate this and place it right here, and then make this image 2 and make this true. That's the vice versa of the first blocks we had. So that is what we have for the codes. So when you press the button that is on, the bulb is supposed to be on. When you switch the button that's off, you will have the off bulb. So those are the codes, as simple as such. So once you're done with the blocks, you simply come here. You can have AI compensation, or this one will be able to give you the the barcode that you can scan and share this up to your Android appliance or Android device. But we're not going to use this, so we're going to render this as an APK to your computer. So you can render this as an APK to your computer and then share it with friends. Or you can as well log into your Android with the same account of Google that you logged in when you were doing this particular app. So you can have your phone and log UX design. It's supposed to be 7 now. What is the issue? In my mobile phone is already at 30%. Oh, even on my screen, that's wonderful. So that is how you render your Samora bulb up. Progress bar is indicating 30. So once it is done, you will install it in your device. And once you install it, you can put it to a test, a real-time test, whether it will be able to work or not. So just give it time. It's almost running the same time as mine on the mobile phone. So we are at 35%. Oh, wow, wonderful. So you can see it is at 100, and even my phone is at 100. It is loading down here, you can see. Now even in my mobile phone, it tells me this type of file can harm your device. Do you want to keep some motor bulb up APK anyway? Okay, to keep it. So once it's ready, open with package installer or safe installer. Oh, you can choose the option then install.
So guys, we are going to try to install this application, the APK application we've developed into our Android device, that is either the mobile phone, your or tablet. So let me just grab my phone and then put that it will be there. So once you log into your Google Chrome, your Google on your device, once you log into your Google account in your device, you go to create apps here, right here. You click into the Gmail account that you used while you are developing this particular app. So as you can see, I've been brought 3 options of the accounts. You can choose the one you used to develop this app with. So I'm going to pick mine here. Just a minute and it will be there. It's logging me into the Appinventor right now. There we go. So as you can see, I already have the interface of Appinventor in my mobile phone. Just wait, I want it more clear like this. Yes. So those are some of the apps that I've developed, and actually it is fully opened. So the app you're looking for is now open. Let me just click on continue. On your phone, there will be an option of continue. So you go to the projects. You can choose a project you want to open. Go to my projects. It's white. So those are some of the projects I've worked with. I've worked in. And let me just open the first sorry. I'm trying to get it from here. It is loading. So there we go. We already have it on my screen. I guess you can see it. So that is our one of the project or the app I've developed. So we are going to download this app and install it in this particular device. So that's how easy you can connect your device and install the app. You go to build, then it will bring you those 2 options. The second option, that is the APK, that's what we're going to use to download. So we're going to use APK, save APK to my computer. So we've clicked there just in a short while. Yes, you can see it is at 50%. Now back to 30%. The first stage is finished. We are back to 30%. So we'll give it time. Again at 50, it's running quite fast. And just in a short while, it will be done. Still at 50, just a minute. 050. Oh, it's almost 100. 100 it is. So once it is done, we are going to use this option down here. There is an option that has popped up down your device. You're told this type of file can harm your device. Do you want to keep bulb APK anyway? So you can click OK. So click OK. Once you click OK, it will show you that the bulb is ready and you can open it just right there. Then once you open it, you click on open. It will ask you another option. If you are ready to open it with any of these options, so we'll pick the first one, open with packager installer just once, and then it will bring you another, do you want to install this application? It does not require any special access. Now there is down here there is an option, cancel or install. So we're going to choose on install. So it will be installing in your device, as you can see, and it is ready blocked by Play Protect bulb. Play Protect does not recognize this app developer. Apps from unknown developers can sometimes be unsafe. Install anyway. Now click on install anyway. There is that option there. Install anyway. Then we're going to install it. So if you can see my screen, it is installing. It is done. Down here it tells you we have done, open. So you can open your app. Now just in a few seconds, our bulb will be ready, as you can see. Remember, this bulb can be on or off. So the background we used here is green. You can use either off. So the bar right now is off. If you use on, you can see the difference. If you use off, it goes off. If you use on, it turns on. So this is typically what I take kids or learners through when we are developing APK applications for Android devices like your mobile phones, your tablets, or any other Android device. So as simple as such, if we may just go back to the home tab and try to find where the app is. Maybe if I zoom on my screen, you will find that the app is installed and perfectly placed there. So the bulb is there. So if you want to open it, just go to your app tabs, then you click on the bulb, it will open like that. And now you can choose to have it either on and off. On and off. On and off. As simple as such. And the kids will be happy to enjoy this particular kind of lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for learning from my channel. Bye for now.